Why does your scanner show the P1353 engine code? What does it mean? P1353 is a diagnostic trouble code for misfire cylinder 6 with fuel cutoff. This engine code indicates that the diesel particulate filter on bank 2 is not effectively reducing particulate matter emissions. This means the filter is not performing as well as it should and may be clogged or malfunctioning. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Ignition system issues, fuel delivery problems, other potential problems, spark plug, and related components. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in BMW vehicles, particularly models like the E46 and E39 series. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.